meron tayong halftime analysis ngayon.
That's right, no? Napakaganda ng stats for the narrative that's building against Buendiaye. So far, yun yung nasa surface. Pero in terms of team against team, what's your opinion on the first half?
Ang opinion ko rito, compadre, sa game of runs, no? Kasi kung sino yung magandang depensa, nakakatakbo eh. At walang transition defense parehas yung team. So kung sino yung unang bibigay na dumipensa, yun ang feeling ko matatalo sa ball game na to.
That's right. And we have a lot of explosive players from both squads, no? But a lot of them are quiet pa in the first half. We have Jet Kasim, he's got 8 points so far compared to Felix Buendiaye na talagang I think he's got 22 points already. Right, 22 points. That's just the first 2 quarters. What will happen pa pagdating ng second half?
Yeah, super aggressive si Felix sa larong to, compadre. Iba. Pero dito naman sa May, compadre, si Kyle Magtibay naka 19 points na rin. So, medyo silent 19 points to kasi nakita mo yung gourmet, compadre. Medyo hindi pilit yung laro nila eh. No? Pero na lang sa mga ibang instance ni Carl na medyo siguro dahil pero ang ganda ng ball rotation ng gourmet grill.
That's right. There's a lot of stories to unfold pa pagdating ng second half. We'll see what happens. Gourmet Grill can still focus on defense, especially ang leader nila is si Paraon, which has 6 steals already.
6 steals, wow.
Diba? That's a record for first half.
Yeah, summary na lang natin, no? Si Carl, meron siyang 6 assists. Sabi mo nga, merong 3 steals din si Carl. Sa rebounds naman, medyo tabla, may 4 dito sa Gourmet Grill. Ang leading scorer is si Kyle Magtibay with 19 points and followed by Carl with 12 points.
That's right, that's right. Oh, we're gonna go to the second half.